LifterLMS is a versatile platform that caters to four main user types. Whether you're an expert, a school, a company, or a WordPress professional, we've got you covered. So let's dive in and learn about how LifterLMS works for each of these four users. The first type of user is the expert. An expert, also known as a subject matter expert, could be a teacher, coach, or anyone with some specialized knowledge. They utilize LifterLMS to create engaging online courses, membership sites, and coaching programs to share their expertise with learners. The second user type is the school. LifterLMS offers flexibility and scalability, making it suitable for single or multi-instructor online schools. Whether it's a casual school with a focused curriculum or a formal school, such as a university, college, or community college, LifterLMS empowers educational institutions of all types to deliver quality online education. Next up, we have companies. Many businesses leverage LifterLMS for education-based training. LifterLMS can be used to train internal employees or independent contractors, providing them with the necessary knowledge and skills for different roles within your company. We also help businesses capture and organize the expertise of their top performers, creating valuable learning assets such as training manuals or playbooks. All of this content is exclusively provided to your team and the members who have access. The fourth user type is the WordPress Professional. This includes freelancers, consultants, agencies, and developers who specialize in building e-learning websites. WordPress professionals use LifterLMS to meet the demands of their clients in the expert industry, as schools, or as companies. To summarize, the four types of users we cater to at LifterLMS are experts, schools, companies, and WordPress professionals. With its range of features and flexibility, LifterLMS empowers users to create engaging online experiences.